Hey guys, if you have been following this series, I'm sure you are fully loaded with the theory of Prometheus. Now it's time for some hands on. Before diving deeper into Prometheus with hands on, let's install and set it up. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Prometheus can be installed in different ways to suit our specific environment, such as with Docker, Helm, Operator, etc. For this tutorial, let's try to deploy it in our Minikube cluster with Helm. At the end of the series, I'll make another video installing Prometheus with Operator and compare the configuration differences between Helm and Operator. To begin with, let's start a fresh Minikube cluster with the command minikube start. You can refer to the Minikube video of Kubernetes series to learn more about Minikube. As you can see, our cluster is ready. Let's verify if our Minikube cluster is up and running with command minikube status. As you can see, our minikube cluster is ready. Next, as a best practice for organization and isolation, it's a good idea to create a dedicated namespace for Prometheus. So let's create a namespace on our cluster with kubectl create namespace and namespace name monitoring. Enter. So our namespace is created. Now let's install Prometheus in this monitoring namespace with Helm. If you are new to Helm, I have created a detailed video on it with complete hands-on. Please check it out. To install Prometheus, we should add the Prometheus Helm chart repository with this command. So let's copy the command and run it in the terminal. As you can see, the Prometheus Helm chart, which is maintained by the Prometheus community, has been added to our repositories. Now we can install Prometheus using a single command. Helm install release name Prometheus and Prometheus community / Prometheus in monitoring namespace. Enter. That's it. Prometheus is now installed. We can try listing the pods in the monitoring namespace. kubectl get pods in the namespace monitoring. As you can see, all the Prometheus pods are up and running. Also, we can see the Prometheus services. Instead of pods, let's list down the services. These are the Prometheus services. Now let us verify the Prometheus installation by accessing the Prometheus UI through port forwarding the Prometheus server service. kubectl port forward Prometheus server service, which is running on 80 port, and let's expose it on 1990 port, which is in the monitoring namespace monitoring. Now let's go to the browser and open localhost 1990. There we go. We have successfully installed Prometheus on our Minikube cluster, and it's now ready to collect and analyze metrics from our applications. I can feel your excitement to start scraping metrics from your first application. In the next chapter, let's scrape the metrics live from an application. Stay tuned. My name is Pavan Elthepu, and I thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content, please share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss any updates.